Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make this juicy and delicious lemon crusted chicken quarters. This recipe is extremely easy, takes no time to prep, and it's absolutely flavorful. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new to my channel, and let's jump right into the recipe. Here are the ingredients you will need for today's recipe. They will be listed down below as well. To begin, I am going to start by making a marinade to marinate the chicken quarters. In a bowl, I am going to combine olive oil, lemon juice. Next, you're going to pour all of these seasoning in there. And some ground black pepper. Last but not least, we're going to add some fresh parsley in there and give it a mix. And this is how you make the marinade. Moving on to the chicken quarters, I am going to pat them dry. And then we are going to pour that marinade all over the chicken quarters. Make sure you rub that marinade all over, so your chicken can be nice and tasty. Now you're going to move the chicken to a baking dish. Because I'm using chicken quarters and I want every part of the chicken to be extra flavorful, so I'm going to make some slices on the chicken and pour that marinade inside just to make sure every bite of this chicken is super tasty. Next, you are going to add some lemon slices on there, and then you're going to bake this. Now, do not cover it. I never cover my baked chicken, never ever. So you're going to bake it on 375 for 50 minutes. When it comes out, this is your result. You have the most juicy, tasty, flavorful, oven roasted baked chicken. You're going to want to make this chicken every week. That's how good it is. It has a kick of the lemon, plus it has some pepper flakes, not too spicy, it's just so perfectly seasoned and so good. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. When I tell you this chicken was so flavorful,
Oh my God.
I was like, This tastes so good. It has a nice kick, nothing you can't handle. And the sourness from the lemon did something to my soul. It was so flavorful. I hope you guys enjoy this one. Let me know what you think down in the comment. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment if you noticed anything new in this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.